You love beautiful, natural light and cool, fresh air in your home. At Solatube, we love bringing it to you through our national network of premier dealers. They're passionate about delivering the ideal daylighting and ventilation solutions for you and providing acclaimed installation service. Go visit them at one of their beautiful showrooms to see Solatube daylighting and ventilation products in action. Or let our manufacturer-certified installation consultants come to you. They're the only service experts who are factory-trained and certified on all Solatube products and know how to best work with your type of home and roof. They'll help you choose the right products and all the options to fit your particular needs. The Solatube Premier Dealer experience is all about stress-free installation with a process that will save you both time and money. You make one call, work with one consultant, and since there's no need for structural modifications, you can also have installation completed in one day. In fact, in as little as 2 hours. And all backed by the Solatube Premier Dealer warranty, which means total confidence for you.